In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a voice changer in Discord. So this can be really useful if you want to change your voice by using a voice filter. Now, in order to do this, we first need to go and open up an internet browser. Go to the following page. You'll find the website link in the video description below. Click on it for quick access. In the top navigation, click on Download and then scroll down and click on the 64-bit version. You can then click on your Downloads folder and open up the voice changer. You'll then need to go through the steps to install this onto your computer. So I'm going to click on Next again, click on Next, and then go and press Install. You can then click on Next again and click on Finish. Now you should see Clownfish on your desktop. Go ahead and launch it from there. You can then click on your taskbar in the bottom right-hand side, and you should be able to see the app from here. Click on Setup and select System Integration. You then need to make sure that Clownfish has been installed for the correct microphone. Now, if it's installed under the wrong microphone, you'll need to click on the Remove button, and then you'll need to install it under the correct microphone. Now, once you've done this, come back over to the taskbar, right-click on Clownfish, and then select Set Voice Changer. Now, from this window, you're going to be able to apply all of your different sound effects and voice filters. Now, before we apply these, we just need to go and open up Discord. Click on User Settings in the bottom left-hand side, and then scroll down to Voice and Video, and click on this. Click on the drop-down next to Input Device. Click on Show More, and make sure you've selected the same microphone that you selected in Clownfish. Once you've done this, you can close out of this window. You can then head back over to the Clownfish dashboard, and you can go and select the voice filter that you want to apply. So for example, I could go and add a male pitch effect. You can then start talking in Discord, and this will automatically apply the filter. Now to remove this, you can just click on Clear Effect in the bottom navigation,